Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this almost dangerous square platter. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Came out really cool. First time doing anything like this, and sanding was definitely a little intimidating for me. But I was able to talk to the owner of D-Way Tools, which is a really great company. I'll leave a link to them down below. They make some really awesome turning tools. And he gave me some advice on how to sand it, so that was really helpful. I really appreciate that. And it worked out really good. So, alright guys, if you like what you see, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. And until next time guys, happy building.